If you're a South African, you need to know why Cosatu's strike is causing such a stir. South Africa's Congress of South African Trade Unions, Cosatu, is under fire for its planned nationwide strike. Critics argue that the protest is counterproductive, especially given Cosatu's alliance with the ruling ANC. Business unity. South Africa warns the strike could further harm the economy, which is already struggling with high unemployment. They call for reforms to prevent what they see as misuse of strikes. Opposition parties, including the African Transformation Movement, accuse Cosatu of hypocrisy and political posturing. They argue that the strike is more about optics than genuine concern for workers. As tensions rise, the nation watches closely, questioning the true motives behind this controversial strike.